Hello, friends. Welcome to AQ by Yes YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about Universal Postal Union. So recently, it was in news. Why? Because India won the membership of Council of Administration and Postal Operations Council (POC). So these are two departments of Universal Postal Union. Now, understanding about international bodies and programs, this is very crucial and extremely relevant for IAS exam. So, Universal Postal Union, this is the second oldest international body. Now, you must be wondering which one is the oldest. So, I'm going to tell you. The oldest is International Telecommunication Union. International Telecommunication Union. Okay, so this is very important. You must know the oldest International Telecommunication Union, and the second oldest is Universal Postal Union. So this telecommunication union, it was established in 1865, and Universal Postal Union, it was established in 1874 through Treaty of Bern. Now, this treaty is also important. Treaty of Bern. Okay. But the most important fact that you must know, that with the formation of United Nations, UPU, Universal Postal Union, became the specialized agency of the United Nations. So it is one of the specialized agencies of United Nations. This is very important and can be asked in prelims. You must know that UPU is a specialized agency. Okay. Now, what does it do? So this UPU, it coordinates the policies, postal policies among member nations. Okay. So if any member is framing any policy, postal policy, now those policies should be in consonance with the recommendations of Universal Postal Union. Okay, so this body, it actually frames rules. It actually frames the rules which are supposed to be followed by all these member nations. So right now there are 192 member nations. Okay, you must know it. 192 member nations. Now, if you recall, in a unilateral decision, Pakistan suspended postal services with India and without any prior notice. So that was against the recommendation of Universal Postal Union. So, as per the recommendations of UPU, they should have notified India before suspending those postal services. Okay, so from the prelims perspective, you must know that it is a specialized agency. Second, you must be aware of Treaty of Bern, that it was established through Treaty of Bern in 1874. This is another important point. Third, it is the second oldest international organization. This is third important point. And fourth, you must know that it has 192 member nations. And one more important fact I have forgotten to tell you, that India joined UPU in 1876. So these are some facts that I wanted to tell you regarding this topic. And this is very important. Again, I'm emphasizing that it might be asked in prelims. And I have provided the notes also. You can download these notes. And if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. And we are also running quick revision program Prelims Atulya. So you can follow that program for the quick revision for your upcoming prelims. So that's all for today's session. And one more thing, that we upload daily current affairs content on our social media platforms. So you can subscribe, you can follow our various social media platforms like Telegram, Instagram, Facebook, etc. So that's all. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.